Hello, what's up guys, how it's going? So English is not my native language, so you created a bootable Linux flash drive and now you want to use your flash drive as a normal flash drive. But the problem is, if you try to format your Linux bootable flash drive, your 16 GB or maybe 8 GB or 24, not 24 actually, 32 GB pen drive will become 2 MB or 3 MB in size. So your 16 GB pen drive will become 3 MB after formatting it with the default way which Windows show you in this way. So how you can format your Linux bootable pen drive? So the right method to format your Linux pen drive is just go to the command prompt cmd and now here type disk part and then yes. So now this program is running as administered. So now type list disk. Now if your PC has only one hard drive, it will show you 2 drives or maybe 3 if you have 3 flash drives. 3 flash drives are connected with it. Okay, so in my case it's showing 4 drives. So one drive is 149 GB, which is, I know it's my SSD. The another drive is no, it's not SSD, it's a HDD, mechanical hard drive. This 931 GB is also my mechanical hard drive, 1 terabyte hard drive, and this 111 GB is SSD, and this 14 gigabyte is my flash drive. So my 14 gigabyte flash drive is on number 3, it's disk 3. So I'm gonna type select disk 3. Okay, so now my disk 3 is selected. Okay, so now I'm gonna type clean. So you can see it's succeed, and now I'm gonna see my Ubuntu bootable flash drive. So as you can see, it's you cannot write anything on it now. It's corrupt. So now format it, and so it's unable to format. Okay, so now on the search bar of Windows, type partition and just go to the as you can see, I didn't type the entire spelling. Just go to the create and format hard disk partition. So you can see this disk 3 which is unallocated. So just create new simple volume, just click next, click next, click next. File system, select FAT32 because it's a flash drive, then click next and then click finish. And now you can see my Ubuntu bootable flash drive has become a normal flash drive which is 14.5 GB in size. It's not 3 MB, it's not 2 MB, it's not just read only flash drive, it's 14.5 GB read and writable. So this flash drive is writable, so I'm sending this picture here to show you that I can write something in this flash drive. Okay, so if you already tried this, I mean if you created your flash drive, Ubuntu bootable drive, and then you did this format, and if this method is not working for you, then I have another option. You can use this tool called Partition Master. I have a free version. There are, I think, two versions. One is free and another one is paid, but I think the free version will also work fine. So if you get some kind of error in disk part or in disk management, then you can use this tool to format your flash drive. Just select your flash drive. I'm not gonna show you how to use this tool, but it's not very difficult to use it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this method is work for you, then hit the thumbs up. And I don't make my videos mostly in English, but if you want to subscribe this channel, you can subscribe, and that's it. So bye.